Mr. Referee. Swimming in lane 1, Penn Charter Aquatic Club. Swimming in lane 2, EHT Seahawks. Swimming in lane 3, North Penn Aquatic Club. Swimming in lane 4, the Greater Philadelphia Aquatic Club. Swimming in lane 5, the Jersey Wahoos. Swimming in lane 6, Central Buck Swim Team. Swimming in lane 7, Spirit Swimming. Swimming in lane 8, Blue Dolphin Aquatics.
Come on, Mina! Come on, Mina!
Timers, when you have a chance, could John Tepper and Suzanne Belber please come to the scorer's table? You want to do this. We have a prize for you.